Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a delicious and easy breakfast recipe for you, that's Rava toast. This flavorful and crispy toast is made with Rava and it's perfect for a quick and satisfying morning meal. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, combine the Rava. You can add any veggies of your choice. Here I have onion, carrot, tomato, capsicum, and now add in coriander, chili, pepper and salt. Mix it all together. Now add little milk and mix it until you have a smooth and thick batter. Let the mixture rest for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the Rava to absorb the liquid and become plump. After the resting period, you will find that the batter has thickened. Give it a good stir. Take a slice of bread and apply the Rava mix generously on one side. Heat your pan, add in the butter or ghee and place the toast and cook it both the side until the toast is golden and crispy. Your Rava toast is ready to serve. Stay tuned for more exciting recipes right here on Cuckoo. Happy cooking!